Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on transmission lines and RF system. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on open and short circuit impedance in Unit 2. After the completion of open and short circuit impedance, the students will able to know about what is meant by open circuit and short circuit impedance. Write the expression for open circuit and short circuit impedance. So first we are going to see about the open and short circuit impedance. So first we have to find the short circuit impedance. So this is the diagram for the short circuit impedance. That is, we are giving the source voltage and the source current as input. So in receiver we are having the receiving current and receiving voltage will be 0, then the receiving impedance or the terminating impedance will be 0. So at short circuit condition the ZR will be equal to 0. So already we know the input impedance, that is Zin will be equal to R0 into ZR plus J R0 tan beta S divided by R0 plus J ZR tan beta S. Substitute ZR is equal to 0 in the above equation, then the equation become Zin will be equal to R0 into J R0 tan beta S divided by R0. Then R0 will be cancelled out, then Zin will be equal to J R0 tan beta S. So we know that beta will be equal to 2 pi divided by lambda. So we have to substitute the beta value in input impedance. So the input impedance become short circuit impedance, that is ZSC will be equal to J R0 tan into 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So the short circuit impedance ZSC become in the form of resistance and reactance. So that is Rs plus J omega XS will be equal to J R0 tan 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So now we have to equate the real and imaginary terms. Then the resistance, that is Rs will be equal to 0. Then the reactance XS will be equal to R0 tan 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So XS divided by R0 will be equal to R0 into 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So next we have to find the open circuit impedance. So this is the diagram for the open circuit impedance. So the input voltage and the input current is denoted by ES and IS. Then in the receiving side, the receiving current and the receiving voltage will be denoted by ER and IR, and the receiving impedance is denoted by ZR. So in that thing, there is a voltage will be there in the output side, then the current IR will be equal to 0, then ZR will be equal to infinity. Then the input impedance Zin will be equal to R0 into ZR plus J R0 tan beta S plus divided by R0 divided by J R0 tan beta S. So now we have to take the ZR will taken out in both the numerator and the denominator. Then Zin will be equal to R0 into ZR divided by ZR into 1 plus J R0 divided by ZR tan beta S divided by R0 divided by ZR plus J tan beta S. Then ZR will be cancelled out. Then the ZR equal to infinity. So substitute in the above equation. Then the equation become open circuit impedance, that is ZOC will be equal to R0 into 1 divided by J tan beta S. So now we have to take the J in the numerator, so it will become minus J. So ZOC will be equal to minus J R0 divided by tan beta S. So 1 divided by tan theta will be equal to cot theta. So the same thing will be applied for this equation. So ZOC will be equal to minus J R0 cot beta S. For theta we are substituting beta S. So ZOC will be equal to minus J R naught cot beta S. Then we have to substitute the beta value in the above equation, that is beta will be equal to 2 pi divided by lambda. So the ZOC will be equal to minus J R naught cot 2 pi divided by lambda into S. Then Rs plus J omega xs will be equal to minus J R naught cot 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So now we have to equate the real and imaginary terms. Then Rs will be equal to 0 and xs will be equal to minus J R naught cot 2 pi divided by lambda into S. Then xs divided by R naught will be equal to minus cot into 2 pi divided by lambda into S. So the quiz question will be beyond open and short circuit impedance. The standing wave ratio in short and open circuit transmission lines will be dash.